I request everyone to rise and give a round of applause. Thank you. Next we have United College NCC. Please welcome the Maha Union Girls and
First award will go to the CMO Chandel. SDO Kengjoy, sir. Amaka koi angam momo DH Kamtoy Lamkang Chief of Lubang Women SI Manpur Police level 7 on Manpur Police Constable number 01
34 Habong Amanbor Ana. Nursing Sister District Hospital. Borpaning Moyon. Primary Teacher Chandel.
Asa workers, mayam si kitang atubula Committee of District Administration.
Other residential educational facilities as Mantri Pantha, Liwa Changning and Topokpi are also contributing towards improving access to education in the district. In the health sector, our healthcare facilities received 13 recognition under Kayakal program this year for cleanliness, hygiene, sustainability and patient-friendly healthcare. Under the Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyagram, the district achieved 100% screening coverage for children between 0 to 6 years of age. Immunization coverage among children aged 9 to 11 months have also nearly reached 93%. The Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission's Scan and Share facility was recently introduced at the district hospital, Chandel, on 6th August. This will make OPD registration easier and reduce waiting time for patients. At the same time, we are aware that healthcare facilities in our remote areas need further improvement, and this will continue to receive our attention. Under Niti Aayog's Aspirational District Program, Chandel has recorded improvement in several areas, including maternal health care, TB treatment, school sanitation, drinking water, electricity, agriculture, and housing. All secondary level schools under the relevant indicators now have functional electricity. The availability of functional girls' toilet in schools have also improved. The new district training center at district headquarters Chandel has an auditorium, computer classrooms, and accommodation facilities. A new district library is also being used by the students now.